Sir, on the note na hindi naka-record ang ating mga institutions kung saan kumukuha ng certificate is because of the application form ng PRC. So when we found this out a year ago, na nung nire-review namin to support PRC on how we can put a full story to the licensure exam, we found out that their application form for those who are taking the certificate only asks for the baccalaureate institution. So, ito po yung resulta. You have Mapua as a top-notcher, wala naman siyang teacher ed. Ano po? Unfortunately, to date, we have yet to receive in TEC a final copy of the, is that correct? Am I correct? A final copy of a revised application form. It's taking a while, we understand, because the system, other than the physical copy, I think their online system is giving them the concern. Pero na-erase na po namin ito in early 2025 and we've been following up and we're trying to get a copy na maayos na siya. That's one. The second point po on the point of Dr. Fermin, this tells us, Mr. Chair, na wala talagang connection, hindi nako-connect yung data na dapat ay confirm ni CHED muna yung institution bago makapag-offer ng kahit na anong kurso o programa. Kasi basic po yon sa requirement natin sa lahat ng academic institutions in the country. So we're missing out on that perspective. Again, yung long-term goal po ni CHED na ipalinis yung quality assurance ng teacher education ay nandoon na tayo. Kasama po doon yung PRC. Ano lang ba ang source dapat ng information ng PRC bago niya tanggapin yung application. So yun po yung long-term goal natin, sir. It will take us a little bit while, the whole of 2026, I'm sure, bago pa natin malinis ano ba ang proseso towards that. So that is, TEC CHED is leading that, but with TEC's implementation arm, and then PRC, kasama na po ang accrediting agencies and all the other
artificial intelligence, I think, is slower than human intelligence. Kasi ginawa na namin, hindi namin mahintay yung aming system. Kasi matagal bago nila ma-adapt. So immediately, sinabihan na kaagad ang mga regional offices, they have to scrutinize very well the transcript of record. So we can assure you na talagang very rigid ang examination of transcript of records. By the way, sir, Mr. Chair, at present, on record in PRC, is that there are 1.3 million professional teachers with valid licenses and professional identification card, the PIC. So 1.3 million. Why am I saying that? Because that will support the problem, or that will be the cause of the problem for the CPD. The continuing professional development, which is mandated by RA 10912, passed in 2016. Hanggang ngayon po, hindi pa na pipirmahang mabuti yun. Pero sige naman na ini-implement na rin ng PRC. In fact, NEAP, National Education Academy of the Philippines, nag-usap na ang PRC at saka ang NEAP for the past year, 2025, siguro kung mga 100,000 CPD have been approved by PRC free of charge sa NEAP. Lahat ng inyong regional and what do you call them? Schools division, yes. The 200 schools division, libre ang kanilang application.